Right now, we're in the throes of the most intense flu season the U.S. has seen in the last 15 years. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention released new data today, estimating 24 million people have caught the virus. 13,000 of them have died.
And 5 News' Tracy Henson spoke with two of our region's leading infectious disease doctors. And Tracy, is St. Louis seeing a similar spike?
Definitely. And for the first time since 2020, COVID is taking a back seat. Currently, more people are in the hospital fighting off the flu than COVID.
At this point, the flu activity is higher and of more potential concern for exposure and illness than COVID.
Dr. Stephen Lawrence studies infectious
COVID first
diseases at Washington University and Barnes-Jewish Hospital.
This year, we've seen a much bigger flu season than we've seen at least in 2 years, and really could be the biggest one in the last 5 years, which is for the temporarily at least putting COVID sort of in the back seat for the moment.
Dr. Manu Patry, the infectious disease prevention director for SSM Lake St. Louis, SLU, and DePaul Hospital, has a theory on why.
We've had a substantial spike in our flu cases in a very short period of time, almost like it's trying to catch up. So I think it's hitting us harder in that way, that a lot of people are getting it very quickly.
Even her household has been hit.
My 16-year-old just had it a week ago, and it was exactly that, like just high-grade fever, had a scratchy throat, and 0 to 60 within a day.
Catching flu fast can help.
It's been less than 48 hours. You really should talk to a provider about starting on antiviral medicines, because there is that window of opportunity where they actually work pretty well to prevent complications down the road.
So when can we let our guard down?
We're probably going to be seeing more before we see less.
A late start pushed flu season back, but we are close to the peak.
We tend to see that it peaks around the Super Bowl, and look where we're at, and it tends to be gone by the time spring break starts.
Both Dr. Lawrence and Dr. Patry say it's not too late to get a flu shot. While you can still catch the flu even after a flu shot, Dr. Lawrence and Dr. Patry say you are much less likely to get severe illness if you've had a shot. Tracy Henson, 5 News.
Coming up.